Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Let's talk about the explosive rise of official Trump on Solana. This new meme coin is riding the wave of official tokens, skyrocketing to highs of $76 today with a peak market cap of $14.7 billion. That puts it in the top 15, above Stellar XLM and just below SUI. For a coin with no use case and 85% of its supply allocated to the team, that's absolutely insane. Someone has to be inflating this. There's no way this is all organic. Otherwise, WLFI's ICO would have sold out as well. On the charts, the 8-minute time frame is the only one offering any meaningful insight. I've marked horizontal levels at $30, $35, $38, $48, and $57. These levels provide a potential range for the token. So far, the chart has been in only up mode since its launch yesterday, with just a few breathers in between. Ideal entries would have been around $23 and $25 yesterday, or $57 earlier today. But money flow is losing steam, and we could see a dip to solidify a bottom around $57, or even lower to the next horizontal line at $48 if latecomers start panicking. The 200 EMA is sitting at $43, well below the 50 EMA at $63, suggesting we're still in positive medium-term momentum. However, the 21 EMA flirting with the downside cross of the 50 EMA indicates the possibility of another move lower. The big question, who is still buying at these levels? I'm shocked by this meteoric rise, but it could just as easily plummet into the abyss. When the hype dies down, people might sober up and realize they've bought into what could be the meme coin pump of the century. With no use case, I expect we'll see a cool down soon. Will it still rank in the top 50 afterward? That's something we'll find out in time. Right now it's a top 20 coin, sitting above Shiba Inu, Toncoin, Wrapped Ether, and Polkadot by market cap on CoinGecko. Personally, I would wait to see money flow dip into the red, a clear bottom formation, and some signs of cooling off before entering a long position. It's been too hot for me since $10, ironically enough. Over the past 12 months, Google Trends shows a significant rise in global interest for keywords like buy crypto, buy Solana, crypto app, Coinbase, and meme coin, all peaking at the maximum 100 value. This surge in search volume suggests a growing mainstream curiosity, particularly for alternative cryptocurrencies and meme coins. Historically, such spikes in interest have often aligned with the beginning of an alt season, where attention shifts from Bitcoin dominance to speculative altcoin investments. If this trend continues, we could see a broader rally in altcoins fueled by retail FOMO and heightened market participation. Would you like automated trading signals for better entry or exit points for the token, official Trump? I can add this to my free Discord if you guys are interested. Just leave me a comment. If you enjoyed this analysis, leave a like, click on subscribe, and activate the bell to stay updated on all things crypto. And see you in the next one.